In this video we're going to look at another technique you can use in a trump contract, the third technique. The technique is called discarding a loser. And let's see how this works. South opens the pinning 1 spade, 11 points, but 6 spades. He can easily open 1 spade. And think about the rule of 20. The rule of 20. The two longest suits, in this case spades and diamonds or clubs, 6 and 3 is 9, 11 points. 11 points, 6 spades, 3 diamonds, 11, 6 and 3 is 20. So I can easily open hand 1 spade. North bids 4 spades straight away, which ends the bidding. The lead is the 6 of diamonds. Now if you see now at the hand, as ever we count the losers from the hand with most trumps. 6 trumps in south, 4 in north, so we count the losers from south. 1 loser in spade, no loser in hearts, 2 losers in diamonds and 2 losers in clubs, so in total we have 5 losers. We are only allowed to have 3 losers, so we have to get rid of 2 losers. How are we going to do that? There's nothing we can do about the spade loser is the ace of spades. The diamond losers look a bit complicated. There's nothing we can do about the club losers. 2 losers. So what are we going to do now? Can we do something maybe with the hearts? Yes. I think if you look at the hearts, you have ace, king, queen in north and the 7 in south. It's a 3-1 distribution, which means we can maybe discard a loser in south on the king, queen of hearts. Discarding a loser on a master card in a dummy is normally an excellent technique to use, not too complicated. In this case we just play ace, king, queen hearts and we get rid of 2 diamond losers. It's not too complicated. But the question is, can we draw the trumps first? Now if you look at the hand now, the lead is the 6 of diamonds. If you draw the trumps first, west or east will win the trick with the ace of trumps and immediately play the diamonds. And the club, you go 2 down. So this is an example of you cannot draw the trumps first. You go 2 down. You have to play the hearts straight away. Because you see now that we win the trick with the ace of diamonds, but at this point you have 2 fast losers in clubs and 2 fast losers in diamonds. Ace, king, clubs, king, queen, diamonds and the ace of trumps. So we have to play the heart straight away before we draw the trumps. And then we play the king of hearts and we get rid of a diamond. We play the queen of hearts, we get rid of another diamond. Okay, now we can draw the trumps. There are 3 trumps out of the opponent, but we draw the trumps. I play the king and West play the ace. There's still 1 trump out of the opponent. He continues with the diamond, but now we can ruff the diamond and we continue with the spade to get rid of the last remaining trump. And now we make the contract. We continue with a club. We make 1 trick in club. The queen of diamonds. I can ruff with the 7 of spades. And I continue with the club, the jack of clubs to the 5. But now my 10 of club is a master. I play the 10 of club and continue with spades. It's clear now I make the contract. I make 10 tricks. And I think it's quite clear that, and that was very important with this hand, that if you look at the hand, suppose we play the trumps first. Now it's clear that if you play the trumps first, you draw the trumps, West play the ace of trumps and he continues with diamond, that you go 2 down to the 5, the 10, the 3, continues with another diamond, the 3, to the 8, the jack, and then he continues immediately with the club. 4, 5, ace, 3, 6, 10. So you go 2 down. You see now quite clearly that you go 2 down if you draw the trump straight away, because there are 4 fast losers, 2 in hearts and 2 in diamond. It's massively important that you play the ace, king, queen hearts first. The technique is called the discarding a loser. It's a very effective technique. It's a very easy technique, and normally you do it before you draw the trumps, but not always. But in this board it was quite clear you do it before you draw the trumps. So that was the end of the video. We talked about the technique. Discarding a loser, which is the third technique in a trump contract. In the next video we're going to look at another technique which is called developing a suit.